Hello everyone, so your Alice is here with another very amazing and profitable project. So today I am here and I am excited to introduce an airdrop event brought to you by Wix in collaboration with Root and Solo. So guys, let's dive into the Root and Solo which are brought to you by the Wix, and let's discuss about Wix is giving away a total of 60,000 USD in airdrop rewards. Participants can claim at least 55 USD and top winners could earn up to 4,710 USD. You can start trading the Root USD and Silo USD pairs on Weeks right now. So let's dive into the Roots and Silo powered by the Weeks. So the Root Network, let's check out about the Root Network is designed to bring digital content live by combining seamless players experiences with powerful Web3 technology. It serves as an interoperability layer, allowing users to freely engage and build communities. So here is our Roots Twitter account, and here you check out the various collectivities assets without needing to worry about the complexities of Web3 blockchain or the crypto. So this is about the Root network. So let's check out about the Solo. So here is the Silo unlocking data for the open metaverse, and here you can check out the related post, and here is evolving from its root. Silo is powered the Silo network. It's used processors, assets, that assets control, verify authenticity, and assess content stored in Silo. The developers use Silo for irrigations while contributors can stake tokens and known routes to the earn rewards. And adoptions grows, Silo will serve as the anchor token for the Silo layer to change. So playing a key role driving interoperability, playing a key role, it's a metadata integration across the metaverse. And here you can check out its latest update and announcement about the Silo and Roots collaboration with the Wix. So let's check out more. So here is the registration process and how you can log in to the Wix exchange. And here you have to enter your mail or you can enter your phone number also. You can sign up and you if you invite your friends and you can earn up to 260 USDD. Guys, here you can check out Wix markets, futures, Spot Pro. You can also copy trade, and here are the whole token airdrops. So if you have already signed up, you have to just log in. You have to enter your email or you have to enter your password. So guys, here you have to first create your Wix account, and I will drop my referral link in my comments, and you can copy from there and you can be the holder of this amazing token. So let's check out more, and you have to join this event on Wix, and let's check out, and here is you can win up to 5,000 to 4,000 USDD Root and Silo, and here you can check out 60,000 USDD mega airdrop event is live. So guys, here is you can check out if you have successfully created your account, you will taken to the Root and Silo event page, and here you can check out, and I will drop the link for you, and you can check out. You have to register. So guys, make sure if you don't use that button to join the event, even if you meet all the requirements, later you might miss out the rewards. So guys, here you can check out, and let's check out more about this event. And here you can check out new users can earn, and new users bonus 10,000 USDT first deposit prize pool. And here you can see who can make a net deposit of at least 100 USDT and complete their first Root USDT or Silo USDT spot trade will get almost 15 to 100 USDT worth of Root Silo tokens. So if plus 10 USDT future bonus. So the total prize pool is 10,000 USDT available on first time, and here is the note which is necessary. So you have to read out for even one new users must make their first spot trade in the Root and Silo pair. Any trading volume will qualify. So here you have to deposit now to get your reward and to join their event pool. So here is the event 2, which is about the new user faction battle. Win 10,000 USDT. New users who participate in event 1 and complete their first spot trade with the specified pairs during event will automatically gain the Root and Silo team. So here is about new users who complete 1000 USDT in spot trading, and he will choose the chosen team, and users can unlock 10,000 USDT prize pool. And here is the reward and ranking system. You can If you have got the reward of 800 USDT, you will require silo and root volume up to 15,000. And here is the list you can check out and you can trade now. So here is our event 3, which is about the spot trading challenge. You have to compete for the ranking and share 20,000 USDT airdrop. So exciting users who trade root silo and meet the spot trading volume threshold below will qualify for ranked rewards at the end of the event. 20,000 USDT worth of root and silo tokens will be distributed based on their spot trading volume ranking. So here you can see the detail below, and these are the reward and required root and silo volume. These are the nodes you have to must complete event 1 and 2 for the event 3, and you have to participate in the event 4 also. So the ranking for the event 3 are exclusive to existing users. Trading volume from newly signed up users during the event will not be counted. So guys, hurry up, patch up your bags now. All rewards will be distributed to root and silo tokens equivalent to the corresponding USDT value. So you have to trade now. So here is our event 4, which is about the Future King tournament. Here's the 20,000 USDT prize pool. So what this tournament is about, the top trader will win a massive 2,500 USDT prize. And here is the detail of reward and the trading volume requirements. So the note behind you have to read. For event 4 is the eligible features. Trading volume for event 4 includes all token except those excluded by the event rules. So the 20,000 USDT prize pool, which include root and silo token, future bonus rewards also. So all rewards will be distributed in root and silo tokens equivalent to the corresponding USDT. So this was about the event 4, and you have to join event 5 also. So for event 5, you have to join 1, 2, 3, and 4, and then you will reach out to the event 5. It's about the VIP rewards for all winners in the week's alpha events. So this is for the rewards and achievements. You have to event registration for VIP 2 that have 7-day access and discount is 25%. And for VIP 4 is 40%, VIP 6 is about 50%, and VIP 8 is about the 70%. So the eligible future tradings volume for event 4 includes all token except those excluded by the event rule. So these are the rules, so you have to must read out before joining the event, and these are the 5 events and these are the rules.